Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Motahar Hussain, Associate Professor, Department of Ophthalmology, Bosundhara Abdin Medical College. Today our topic is disease of eyelid. eyelid disease গুলোর বর্ণনা। গত ক্লাসে আমরা কন্টিনিউশন ছিল আরও ডিজিজ আলাপ করেছি। আজকে আলাপ করব এন্ট্রোপিয়ন, ectropion and some abnormal condition of congenital conditions. First of all, entropion. What is entropion? Entropion is inward turning of the eyelid. The eyelashes rubbing the cornea and conjunctiva. Classification of entropion. There are 4 types of entropion. Number 1 is involutional. Number 2 is cicatricial. Number 3 is congenital. Number 4 is acute spastic. Now I will start involutional entropion. It is most common. It is due to upward movement of preceptal part of the orbicularis oculi muscle and thinning of tarsal plate and atrophy. Symptom কি সমস্যা নিয়ে পেশেন্ট আসে আমাদের কাছে? ফার্স্ট ইজ ফরেন বডি সেন্সেশন, ওয়াটারিং, পেইন, সাইন। আমরা কি পাবো এক্সামিনেশন করে? There is conjunctival congestion and corneal erosion which may turn into corneal ulceration and corneal opacity. Treatment of involutional entropion. Cautery over skin below the eyelash. And second one is by giving adhesive tape, that is micropore, pulling outwards. Second one is cicatricial. It is due to scarring of palpebral conjunctiva. Etiology কেন হয়? It is due to chemical burn. 2 number is lacerated injury. 3 number is Stevens-Johnson syndrome. Stevens-Johnson syndrome occur due to toxicity of drug like acetazolamide, penicillin and sulfonamide. Treatment of cicatricial entropion is giving bandage contact lens. 2 number surgical correction. Now I will start acute spastic entropion. Etiology. It is caused by chronic conjunctivitis. Number 2 is keratitis. Treatment, removal of the cause. Fourth one is congenital entropion. Treatment of congenital entropion is resection of abnormal position of tarsal plate. Now I will start ectropion. Another deformity is ectropion. Definition of ectropion is outward turning of eyelid away from the globe. These are of 3 types. Classification of ectropion. Number 1 is involutional. Number 2 is cicatricial. Number 3 is paralytic. There are 3 types of ectropion. What are the symptoms? Clinical feature. First symptom, কি patient কি সমস্যা নিয়ে আসে? Patient will complain watering, and there may be secondary infection. Now I will start involutional ectropion. It occurs in old age, and it is due to weakness of preseptal portion of orbicularis oculi muscle. Its treatment is surgical. Now I will start psychiatrical. Psychiatrical ectropion occur due to chemical burn or thermal burn. Number 2 is trauma. That is what happened in psychiatrical ectropion. There is contraction of skin and underlying tissue. Treatment is surgical, excision of scar and skin graft. Number 3 is paralytic ectropion. It is due to paralysis of orbicularis oculi muscle. Aim of treatment, আমরা কেন ট্রিটমেন্ট করাই? To prevent exposure keratitis. If it is mild type, we will give artificial tear frequently at daytime and antibiotic eye ointment at bedtime. If it is severe, then we will give tarsorrhapy. It is surgical treatment, closing of eyelid by giving stitch. Now I will start congenital deformities of eyelid. Number 1 is symblepharon. Symblepharon means adhesion between bulbar conjunctiva and palpebral conjunctiva. Again there is congenital ectropion, congenital entropion, trichiasis, coloboma, absence of some parts of the eyelid tissue, congenital ptosis, blepharophymesis. Blepharophymesis means narrowing of horizontal and vertical palpebral aperture. যে ওপেনিংটা থাকে palpebral aperture horizontally এবং vertically দুটি কমে যায়. Another is epicanthus. What is epicanthus? It is there is extra fold of skin on medial side of the lower eyelid. So this is all about congenital deformities. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.